Hello, in this video I will show you how to upload your website to the internet easily. In this case I will do it using the hosting of Hostinger, where you upload the web. First we go to Hostinger.com, or we put in Google Hostinger and we select the first option so that it directs us to the hosting of our country. We choose the plan we want. For example, in this case I choose the premium shared hosting of 12 months. We fill all the data, we put our email and our method of payment. There are coupons to have a discount on it. When we fill everything we confirm our payment. Once purchased we will be directed to this place. We put start now. Click skip. Click build a website. Click skip. I will start from scratch. Click claim a free domain. In the case you have one and don't want to have a new one, you have to choose an existing domain. In this case I will claim the free domain, so we choose the domain that can have several endings, for example .net.com. I chose the .com, and then when it has been validated that it is not registered by anyone, it will allow us to continue. It says domain is available and we click on continue. We put the location of our server. We click in the pencil to edit and we put it where we want our hosting to be. I put it in USA. At the end we put finish setup. It will direct us to another section where it will ask us data about our identity. This is important for the domain registration, since it is what allows us to identify the owner of the domain. We complete the next step and then we return to complete and put finish registration. We wait for it to finish loading, and we will be redirected to a page where there are two options. There we put manage site. When we are there, if we register a new domain, we will have to wait until it is finally registered. It may take about 24 hours. We can also see a preview. 7. We upload the web. If they are files, we can do it directly. We go to File Manager. Domains, the name of your domain, and inside the public HTML folder we paste the files. If you have already waited and your domain is ready, you will be able to see your page by entering your domain in the search engine. If not, you should go to Preview. You should then be able to see your website with that method. If you use index.php or index.html, you will enter directly to the domain and you will be able to see it. Otherwise, you will have to enter your domain and then the name of the file you uploaded. For example, the name of your webcom/formulary. PHP. In case you want to use WordPress, go to the bottom where it says Auto Installer and install it, filling all the required data. And then you can install WordPress. Maybe I will explain it in another video. That was all.